Need a UAN number but don't know where to start? Don't worry, we got you covered. It's super simple. Step 1. Download the UMAN app on your phone, enter your mobile number and select your state, agree to the terms and tap register. You'll instantly get an OTP, just enter it and verify. Next, set your MPIN to keep the app secure. Now head to the EPFO section where you'll see options like UAN allotment and activation or UAN activation. Pick whichever applies to you. For the verification, you'll also need the Aadhaar Face RD app, so just download that. Once installed, verify your Aadhaar and the mobile number, send the OTP and do a quick face scan following the instructions. After successful verification, you'll receive one last OTP and boom, your UAN number will be delivered straight to your Aadhaar linked mobile. Super quick and easy, right? So for more queries, feel free to reach out at info@legalbytellp.com.